welcome to my channel. My name is Ella. In today's video I'm going to show you the best food spots in Riga. I'm very excited to be here. I'm going to show you all the fun places that you can eat. Make sure you like this video and also subscribe. And now let's get into the video. For to drink I got of course a matcha latte and look how good that looks. David and my mom both got a coffee. Dad also got himself a tea with milk. He always drinks tea with milk. He loves it so much. Parents both got the paninis with mozzarella. We just ate. I drank up all my matcha. It was so good. I give it like a 9 out of 10. Like it was such a good matcha. For the food, it was okay. So I think I'm going to rate it like a 7 out of 10. How much would you rate your food?
I started with the panini, but Ellen thought my panini was better than her bagel, so we switched. But her bagel was really good with a little bit of salmon. En hoe zeg je dat die kaas?
Goat cheese. Yeah.
Geiten cheese.
Goat cheese.
Really good. Of 8 out of 10.
Strolling around through the old town, and now we're going to grab something to drink. So we're now going to Costa Cafe. Costa Coffee, I know it's not super local. Oh, my mom actually walked somewhere else in. Normally you would go to Costa Coffee, but she wants to go to somewhere local, which I think is better. Now at the cafe, and I ordered a lemonade. David ordered a soup and my parents as well. So I'm going to taste from the soup because we're going to eat later. So I'm not super hungry, but I do want to try the soup. So this is my passion fruit lemonade. Taste the passion fruit.
Good. A little spicy, but
It's spicy.
oh, yeah, really good. Verdict.
Yeah, it tastes like goulash. Yeah, it's goulash. Yeah, it's
goulash.
Yeah, but then in a soup form. So we're now in the food market, and there are so many different cultures also from the food as well. Like I saw some from Spain as well. We have some grilled food, also from Latvia itself. We have some candy. So yeah, we're going to try out some food. In Belgium it's actually €7, and
for
here
two.
it's for two, and here it's way cheaper. So we're going to get one of these. This one is with cheese and meat. We have our pancake with cheese and meat. The cheese is already looking really good.
That's a big bite. And how does it taste?
The cheese is so good. I think
You, as a specialist of pancakes?
I think an 8. For me it's really good. I love the cheese. So we're now in the shopping center, and my dad took a cake, so we're going to try that out. It's like a strawberry flavor. It's really good. We're at Lido, and this is actually a restaurant with food from Latvia. So we have a bunch of traditional foods and cuisine from here. So we're going to try them. He's interrupting my video, so we're going to try them out. Some meat with sauce and also some raisins, and then I have also some pasta. It does remind me a bit of Polish food, so we're going to try it out. We just finished our food, and I'm going to rate my food a 8 out of 10 because it's super super good if you want to try out food from here that is also local. We are now on a little day. My parents are at the hotel and we ordered some drinks because we wanted to try out some different drinks. And I actually ordered a drink that's locally from here. It's the black balsam drink, the cherry flavor. And then it's got a cider. He doesn't know which flavor it is, so we're going to try them out. Yeah, it's really good. It's like a very strong drink also. You should definitely try it out when you're here. And they also brought us our tiramisu.
Sorry guys, because there is a lot of noise. A lot of people enjoying their meal and enjoying their drinks. Yes, good?
Yeah.
Okay, let me taste it. It's thicker than usual, but it's good.
Fresh.
Yes.
Okay, we went a little crazy, guys, but you know, it's vacation, so we have another glass of wine, and then we also ordered a meat plate with cheese.
It's already her third glass.
No.
She had 2 drinks of that black balsam drink, and now one of these.
We took some hot chocolate milk for our way to
Yamalara.
Yeah, I don't know, I will insert it here as we're going there with the train, so we got some goods. I took a hot chocolate with caramel syrup. That's actually what we needed. So we also have some salted sticks. In Poland we also have this and it's called paluszki. So we're going to try this as well. Here we have the paluszki. They definitely taste the same like the Polish ones. So we're now going to look in Mego to look at the local things here. They have a lot of Polish like drinks as well. Like in Poland we have it too, and also Timberg. This is honestly my favorite type of juice. Like as a child I used to love this. Also these, like my mama always used to buy these ones. I took the blackcurrant one. That's actually like a cocktail made of it. Like they made a hot drink of it. It's actually really hot. Yeah, blue wine. Something that looks like pierogi from Poland, but it's a bit different. We're now in another restaurant to get some cocktails, and my cocktail is so good. It's a Fred Bellini, and David got a cider as well.
The cider is very good as well, but I think normally my favorite cocktail of all time is mojito. But now
yeah,
this one
is really good.
Cinematic.
I have the passion fruit creme brulee and also with mango. The passion fruit is very intense. It's really good. The flavors are all like mixed together. Also with the strawberries. David got a Napoleon cake. It's with pudding. today we are eating breakfast in our hotel, and as you can see there are a lot of options. It's all looking good. I took this plate and I'm going to fill it up with a few things. We're now at Caffeine, and I think it's like a popular place to get drinks because it kind of reminds me like Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks, I would say. Like it's a place where you can get different type of drinks, hot and also cold, and you can also customize them. So I got a matcha, and then I also took a vanilla syrup. I also took the same one for David, so we're going to try them out. I think we're also going to try some cakes, so yeah. I think this is the cheapest matcha that I've drank so far, and it tastes so good. I would rate this like an 8 or 9, like it's really good. I also asked for 1 crumb of vanilla as well to give it extra taste, and you don't even need any sugar with it. This is the canal cake, this is a cheesecake, this is a normal cake with cream on it, and this is a...
Creme brulee with berries.
No, I don't know what it is. This is a hot alcoholic drink. So I'm first going to taste this hot drink. It is sweet, it tastes a bit orangey. But you don't really taste the alcohol. We have a patisserie cake. Tastes good. You taste the biscuit really well, also the blueberries. Next we have this little cake. Oh my god. So very soft in the inside. Next we have the little cupcake. It's not too sweet. This I'm not the biggest fan. It's a bit salty. But it's like a real cheesecake, so yeah, this one is my least favorite. If you're like into not super sweet cakes, then this one is the way to go.